Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh. Today I am going to tell you about the silt content test on fine aggregates. So let's begin. Silt basically is in between the size of sand and clay. Adding more or if the silt content in sand is more or beyond the limits, it affects the compressibility of the concrete. In a research, it was observed that if the silt content is increased by in sand is increased by 0.15%, the compressibility of the concrete or the cube compressive strength of the concrete was decreased by 0.15%. So silt content has to be under the limits. So let's begin. Silt test is can be performed in the site also, or can be performed in the laboratory. It requires a simple cylindrical measuring tube under which we'll pour the sand and we'll add the water. So first 1% of NaCl solution is prepared. This solution can be prepared like adding 1 gram of NaCl in 100 grams of water. So after this solution is prepared, this is being added into the cylindrical funnel up to a level of 50 ml, and after this is added, we then pour the sand which has to be tested. We pour that sand up to the level of 100 ml, and after it has reached the 100 ml mark, then we pour more of the NaCl solution up to the level of 150 ml. After this, we close the lid and then we shake it vigorously so that it is being finely distributed. And after that, we keep the sample for rest for few hours. And after that, we observe that a thick or thin layer of silt is being deposited at the top of the sand. And after this is being deposited, then we calculate with the help of the formula the amount of silt which is being deposited in ml upon the total or the total volume of the sample. So let's say if the silt content is more than 8%, 8% is the permissible limit from the IS Indian Standard Code. And if it is more than that, it will affect the compressive strength of the concrete also, and it will not be as workable also while applying mortar in at any surface. So this is why we need to perform silt content test. Thank you everyone for watching.